Hey traders, today I'm about to show you something truly revolutionary. Imagine taking just $3,000 and transforming it into an ancient 11.5k in minutes, all thanks to cutting-edge AI trading bot on pocket option. Forget the stress of manual trading. Let automation do the heavy lifting for you. Ready to see the future of trading in action? Let's dive in. Before we jump into live trades, let me explain how AI works. It harnesses real-time market data, sniffs through complex trends, and spot high-probability opportunities in minutes, seconds. So on pocket option, where 92% return on winning trades is the norm, this bot is designed to maximize your profits without the guesswork or emotional stress. It's like having a team of expert traders working for you 24/7. Now let's put theory into practice. We are starting with 3000, which as the bot. Once the bot analyze the market and place its first trade, look at the precision. Within just 1 minute, that trade closes and our account jumps to nearly $5,800, an impressive gain in real time. But we are not done yet. Without missing a beat, the bot immediately reinvests our new balance. In its second trade, it capitalizes on another high probability setup, and there it is, another win in another minute. Our total skyrockets to approximately 11,500. That's how rapid algorithm-driven trading works. So, what makes our AI trading bot so unstoppable? Here's why. Lightning speed, fast market analysis. It processes the live data in seconds, ensuring you never miss the perfect trade. Number 2, emotion-free execution. Unlike manual trading, this bot eliminates the pitfalls of fear and greed, only pure data-driven decisions. And number 3, automated risk management. It smartly adjusts your trade sizes and sets productive stops, so your capital is always safeguarded while profit multiply. This isn't about numbers, it's about changing the way you trade for better. Imagine never having to stress over market fluctuations again. With our AI premium trading bot, you can start generating profits on autopilot. And here's the kicker. We are offering exclusive deals and free demo sessions so you can witness the power of our bot before you commit. Don't miss your trading chance to join the revolutionary in trading. Thanks for watching, traders. If you are ready to leave manual trading behind and step into the future, click the link in the description now to get started with Premium AI Trading Bot. Smash that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more groundbreaking trading strategies. Let's take your trading day to the next level automatically.